I'm hiding out in the weirdest places. I don't know how about you guys or where you're coming from. You're probably home. Some of you are on campus, just a rare few of you who didn't have other options. And I keep hiding out in various places in the house. So I put up my picture here so you can say hi. So hey, you guys, I'm up in our bedroom. So I'm trying to hide out because our kids are downstairs at various levels. So Kieran's in the basement, and he's got online schooling. So he goes to Des Moines Christian in town, a private school. So he's got actual school going on because they're not kind of beholden to the rules that are currently in place for public schools, which are basically we can't do anything until we get orders to do something. And so he's doing school, and then Nora, our daughter, she's actually taking this chance to learn ballet. So she does a lot of dance, and she hasn't had a chance to do formal ballet. So she's doing online classes in ballet, and then the little boys are downstairs with my wife, and they're learning. We're kind of tag teaming, teaching them. So anything from math, the boys went around and measured the volume of all the closets because they had an argument who had the biggest closet, and so we sent them around the house to measure the closets. And so, yeah, one of those third world problems, one of those questions that you don't ask except in a first world scenario. So we definitely feel fortunate that we can be home and teach our kids and do that. And we appreciate that many people don't have that opportunity. But we have some funny questions and arguments that come up, like who's got the bigger closet? What a rough situation, huh? So here I am upstairs. So next time I'll probably be in the basement. Sometimes I go to Drake, which you realize I can't hook up my iPad very well there. I'm getting better. But, well, welcome to our home. Back to the chain rule. Thought I'd say hi real quick.